Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will find out why the CEO of BMW thinks Tesla's production is revolutionary, but repairs are so expensive. But before we begin, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Tesla Incorporated's years-long dominance of electric car sales may soon end as traditional automakers introduce a slew of new battery-powered models, BMW AEG's chief executive officer said. The electric car maker delivered almost 500,000 vehicles last year, up 36% from 2019. While that growth amid a global pandemic sent Tesla shares soaring, BMW CEO Oliver Zipse said Monday that established automakers are countering with more EV offerings. Early in the year, Zipse expressed doubt whether Tesla could maintain its status as the top EV seller as new competitors came to market. And now BMW CEO Oliver Zipse has taken another swipe at Tesla, according to Bloomberg. Auto executives rarely make public digs at competitors, so the CEO's remarks reflect newfound self-confidence among traditional manufacturers pouring billions into electrifying their lineups. BMW is adding battery-powered versions of its X1 SUV, as well as the 5 Series and 7 Series. Tesla said last month it expects to increase vehicle deliveries by about 50% annually over multiple years, and that it will grow faster than that in 2021. BMW's larger peer Volkswagen AG may not be far off from eclipsing Tesla's EV sales this year. The German carmaker plans to at least double the share of its sales that are fully electric in 2021, with the high end of its target range suggesting it could come close to Tesla's expected deliveries of at least 750,000 cars. VW pulled ahead of Tesla in battery electric vehicle sales in Europe last year, according to market researcher Giotto Dynamics. Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk plans to start making Model Y crossovers at a plant under construction near Berlin in the middle of this year. BMW CEO says Tesla will struggle to maintain its rapid growth because of mounting competition among electric car makers. Tesla may struggle to maintain its rapid growth as its competitors ramp up sales of their electric vehicles, BMW's CEO said Monday. It won't be easy for Tesla to continue at that speed because the rest of the industry is moving ahead big time, BMW CEO Oliver Zipse said at the DLD All-Stars Conference Monday. Other automakers are increasingly scaling up their efforts to launch electric cars as the market continues to boom. Zipse's company, BMW, started selling Mini Electric in 2020, which is the lowest-cost electric car currently available in the U.S., Insider's Tim Levin reported. General Motors, the U.S. largest automaker, said it would end all sales of gas-powered vehicles by 2035 and would invest $27 billion in electric and autonomous vehicles over the next 5 years. Jaguar Land Rover, meanwhile, said it would go all-electric by 2039. Volkswagen's electric vehicle sales increased more than threefold in 2020, and even Apple is reportedly building its own electric car. But despite the increased competition, analysts expect Tesla's sales to continue to boom. With a green tidal wave on the horizon, we believe Tesla will see strong growth in the U.S. for 2021 and beyond, and add to the white-hot growth the company is seeing in China and Europe so far this year, Daniel Ives, an analyst at Wedbush, said. Tesla's success also depends on economic recovery from the pandemic. Its sales fell around 15% in the second half of 2020 as consumers cut back spending on cars during the pandemic. But the company is ramping up efforts to make a more affordable electric car, which in turn could boost sales. In September, CEO Elon Musk said the company would make a $25,000 fully autonomous electric car in about 3 years, and last week Tesla slashed the prices of some of its vehicles. Sales in China, the world's largest car market, could be central to Tesla's success. Tesla could deliver 1 million vehicles in 2022 because of eye-popping demand from China, which could account for 40% of its global sales, Ives said in December. The country, where Tesla began delivering Shanghai-made Model Y vehicles in January, is the heart and lungs of Tesla's demand growth story, he said. Tesla is also edging closer to launching operations in India later this year. Over the next 5 years, we expect India's car market to double in size, with electric vehicles increasing their share, David Leggett, automotive analyst at Global Data, said. Tell us in the comments section your thoughts. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.